Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Boxy from Lankybox. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a line across at the top. Then let's curve it down from both ends. And now let's bring it down. Curve it in at the bottom. And then a line across to form a curved square shape. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curved rectangle like this. Now inside this rectangle, let's draw the face. Let's start with two large ovals for the eyes. And then another one inside on the top right. And then color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve on top of each eye. And then a curve across underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and let's draw two lines down from the top of the head. And then add a zigzag line across underneath. Now let's hop to the sides and add the arms. Let's start on the right side and let's draw an angle down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now for the left arm, let's draw a curve on the side here. And then a large curve underneath and back up. Now on the left here, let's draw the rest of the body, giving it a 3D shape. Let's start on the top left corner and let's draw an angle down. And then a curve at the end. Now let's bring it down to the arm. And continue it below like this. Now at the bottom, let's angle it out. And then another angle on the right side here. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another angled line across. Now let's hop over to the bottom right and let's draw an angled line down and out from the corner. And then another one over here on the left. And then close it off at the bottom. Lastly, underneath the body, let's add the legs. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and in. And the same thing next to it like this. And let's draw two more on the right side. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And that's it for Boxy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!